Yeah, hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be looking at task 20u. Okay, so it says open the file salary.csv, sort the data into ascending order of surname, then ascending order of forename. So we have two levels of sorting, but both of them are all in ascending order. All right. So I'm going to just go to my file, which is salary.csv. So the first thing I do is to save this salary.csv. I'm going to do save as. So I'm going to save it as, let me just first of all locate my file. Where are you? Let me just go back here and then find my exercise links. And yeah, so I'm going to save it as, of course, Excel workbook, and I'm going to save it as task 20u. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Yeah, so we're going to do some sorting here. So when you sort, just select the right data. So leave out the heading. Okay, so select the right range. Okay, so as you can see, I left out the heading because if you sort with the heading, it will sort this heading too. So which means I need to select the exact data you want to sort. Okay, so when you select your range, you go to editing group, and then from sort and filter, you can take a custom sort. Okay, so the first level sort by I think surnames, but if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so by surname. Okay, so of course by cell values, and then of course the order will be A to Z, which is ascending order. So if you're doing descending order, you can take Z to A, something like that, but it has to be, the orders has to be A to Z. Okay, so that is for the first order set, the first sort. So of course I have to add level here. Okay, so after sorting by surname, I want to sort by forename. All right, so of course the order will be what? Ascending order. All right, so once you're done with that, you can okay that, and then it can give us, you can sort everything together. Okay, so if you want to sort, make sure you select all data. All right, select all data, otherwise your sorting, there will be error in your sorting. So all data must be what? Selected. All right, so that is it for this. So please, if you have any question, please, you can leave a comment down below. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, share my video, and like my video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.